Welcome back to Infigyan friends. In this very powerful and exciting video on radical rational equations, where we are going to take up interesting equation square root x plus 1 whole square over x minus 1 plus square root x plus 1 over x minus 2 over square root x equal to 1. We have to find out real values of x, real solutions. So let's get started by writing domain of the equation first. This denominator is not allowed 0, so x cannot be 1. This denominator cannot be considered 0. Okay, so x cannot be 0. Now third denominator, you can see it is having a square root. So for real solutions, x cannot be negative. So these are our conditions. We will consider these conditions while writing our answer. Now let's get started by writing one algebraic identity. It is difference of two squares. A square minus b square. We know that it is a plus b in one parenthesis and a minus b in second. So I am targeting this bracket, x minus 1. Can we write in this manner? Yes. X minus 1 we can see as square root x whole square minus 1 whole square. Now it is set in the formula of difference of two squares. So I will write square root x plus 1 and square root x minus 1. Now let us apply this value to our equation. So I will consider like square root x plus 1 whole square over denominator I will write root of x plus 1. In second bracket I will write root of x minus 1. Now see the second term, this term. I will split our numerator. So I can write plus root x over x plus 1 over x. And then last term is minus 2 over root x equal to 1. Now one thing is clear, this I will cancel immediately with this bracket. Now denominator x for second term, if I will multiply or I can split x as root x times root x. See here, root x over x, this denominator I will write root x times root x. So 1 root x I can cancel. So it will become 1 over root x. So this term will get 1 over root x. First term you will write after cancellation 1 power will be left. So root of x plus 1 over root of x minus 1. Then you will have plus this 1 over square root x plus 1 over x minus 2 over square root x equal to 1. Now see 1 over square root x and minus 2 over square root x are, you can say it is like term. So we can take away. So it will be left with minus 1 over root x. Let me write square root x plus 1 over square root x minus 1 plus 1 over x, it was there, and minus 1 over root x equal to 1. Now you can see I can consider here this minus 1 to the left and these two terms to the right hand side. So let us consider, I will write square root x plus 1 over square root x minus 1, and that 1 will come here with minus 1. Now right hand side, if I will write this one, then I need to write 1 over root x minus 1 over x. Now I will take LCM in the left hand side. So I will write root x plus 1 minus root x plus 1 over root x minus 1. This term we can cancel immediately. Now here I can multiply root x. So now denominator is same. I will write it is root x over x minus 1 by x. Common denominator. So I will write root x minus 1 over x. Now you can see what is left ultimately. 2 over square root x minus 1 equal to square root x minus 1 over x. Now I will cross multiply the written terms. So it will come out root x minus 1 whole square equal to 2x. Let us write root x minus 1 whole square equal to 2x. Now I will expand using formula, algebraic formula. So a square plus b square minus 2ab. So I will write here x a square plus b square minus 2 root x, okay, equal to, and this term I will write 2x. Now I will take minus 2 root x to the right and this term I will consider to the left. So it will come out x plus 1 minus 2x equal to 2 root x. So I will write 1 minus x equal to 2 root x. Now 2 root x is equal to 1 minus x this way also. Now I want to get rid of this square root. So I will consider squaring both sides. So consider squaring both sides. Whole square, whole square. So left hand side I will write 4 times square root x whole square x equal to 1 plus x square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, so minus 2x. So if I will take all the term to one side, RHS, so I can write x square plus 1 minus 6x equal to 0, or x square minus 6x plus 1 equal to 0. Let me write x square minus 6x plus 1 equal to 0. This is one quadratic equation. We can easily apply quadratic formula or Sridharacharya formula to find the value of x. Okay, keep this thing in our mind. What was our domain? X positive, and these two denominators, this is because of square root x, and x cannot be 0 and 1. We have to verify at last. Now minus b, so I will write 6 plus minus under the root b square, minus 6 square 36 minus 4ac, so minus 4 divided by 2a, so 2. Now I can write 6 plus minus, this will become square root 32 over 2. Now square root 32 we can write 6 plus minus square root 2 times 16 over 2. Now this square root means 16, we know that it is 4. So it will be like 4 root 2 over 2. So ultimately the value of x is coming out 3 plus minus 2 root 2. If I will split, means I want to check both the values because our domain condition is x positive. So x should be positive only. So I will check this value 3 plus 2 root 2. Now I will check 3 minus 2 root 2. So root 2 is 1.414. 2 root 2 is 2 point, let me write here, 1.414. So 2.828. And here it would be 3 minus 2.828. You can see this value is positive, this value is positive. Both are positive. So we will accept both the solutions. So our ultimate solution for this radical rational equation will become 3 plus minus 2 root 2. Two solutions are there. You can cross-examine if you want. I hope this video is meaningful to you. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe, friends. Bye-bye till next video. Take care of yourself. Bye.